You know, people go on about like, I wouldn't wish death upon my worst enemy, blah, blah, blah. Like, no, it's not death I wouldn't wish upon my enemy. It's a cold, a flu, COVID, because that shit is painful. Okay? The body aches you feel, the feeling like you're gonna die, the fact that everything is just heavy, your body just is like you just don't know what's happening, like you're just a whole mess, like your voice is all messed up, you have no appetite. Like that is, I would never wish that on my worst enemy because listen, like no, no.